Welcome to the session. In this session, I am going to explain some commands in 5th unit. Okay. Almost number of topics are completed in the 3rd unit. Okay. So 5th unit concepts, number of concepts completed in the 3rd unit only, because in 3rd unit you are having looping statements. Okay, for that purpose I already explained about the conditional statements and some commands. Okay, for example, if you take expr command, actually this is available in 5th unit. Okay, I already completed in the 3rd unit. In order to perform arithmetic calculations, expr command is very important. Okay, so maximum topics of 5th unit completed in the 3rd unit. Okay, in 3rd unit we completed number of programs, commands, everything. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about some commands: break command, continue command, and eval command. All these are simple commands. Okay, we already know how to write a program. Okay, so in order to create a program, the syntax is vi space filename dot sh. Okay, vi space filename dot sh is the syntax. For example, vi space sample dot sh. It immediately displays one editor. Within the editor, we have to type the entire code. After typing the code, we have to click on escape shift colon WQ. Okay, W stands for saving a file, Q for quitting a file. Okay, so colon WQ means it saves the file and then simply comes out of the editor. Automatically it displays the dollar prompt. After dollar prompt, we have to specify the command to compile and execute the shell program. Okay, so to compile and execute a shell program, the syntax is sh space filename dot sh is the syntax. For example, if we create a file with a sample, vi space sample dot sh, not to execute that file, the syntax, the command is sh space sample dot sh. Okay, if the code is without any errors, it simply displays the output statements which are available in the code. Okay, so today I am going to explain the importance of break and continue commands. Okay, so today we are going to break statement main purpose is to terminate the execution of the entire loop. Okay, so actually these statements are to be used in looping statements. I already completed the looping statements in the 3rd unit only. Okay, while loop, we are having 3 types of looping statements. Those are while loop, for loop, and until loop. Okay, if you take while loop, initially the condition is evaluated. If it returns true value, then only the set of statements which are specified between do and done are executed. So while loop syntax is while followed by conditional expression next to do and done. In between these do and done, we specify the executable statements, means repetitive statements. Okay, whereas for loop, 2 syntaxes are there. One is, I already explained about one syntax, that is for space variable name in range. Next, in between do and done, that specify the executable statements or repetitive statements. Okay, and the last one is until loop. Until loop followed by conditional expression. In between do and done, have to specify the statements. If we take until, if the condition expression returns false value, then only the set of statements which are specified between do and done are executed. Exactly opposite to while loop. Okay, in while loop, if the condition expression returns a true value, then only the set of statements which are specified between do and done are executed. Whereas for until loop, if the conditional expression returns a false value, then only the set of statements specified between do and done are executed. Exactly opposite to while is until loop. Okay, I already come to, so these 3 topics already completed in the 3rd unit. Today I am going to explain the break and the continue statements. Okay, we are going to use these 2 statements in looping statements. Okay, break and continue statements. If we specify break, what happens that we have to observe today. Okay, so the break statement is used to terminate the execution of the entire loop. So to terminate the followed by execution of the entire loop. After completing the execution of all the statements, okay, which are specified up to break, okay, all the statements which are specified up to break is going to execute, and then it will simply terminate the execution of the range. Okay, it then steps down to the code following the end of the loop. Means simply actually the statement to be specified within the loop and within the conditional statement. For example, if conditional expression, okay, then the break means if the conditional expression returns true value, and if you specify break statement after if condition, then simply skip the statements which are specified after a break statement. Simply it comes out of the loop, means it's going to terminate the execution of the entire loop. That is the meaning of, that is the importance of this break statement. It is going to terminate the execution of the entire loop after completing the execution of all of the lines of the code up to break statement. All of the lines of the code up to break statement. Okay, it then steps down to the code following the end of the loop. Means after while loop, if we specify any statements, those are to be executed. If we doesn't specify any statement, simply comes out of the loop. Okay, either while loop or for loop or until loop, wherever we specify the break statement. Okay, main concept is going to terminate the execution of the entire loop, and it's going to execute the set of lines which are specified up to break statement. All statements are to be executed. Okay, if the condition expression returns a true value, and if we specify the break statement after the if statement, simply it is going to terminate the execution of the entire loop based on the return value, based on the return value of if condition. Okay, the syntax of break statement is simply break. Okay, simply break. We no need to use break followed by semicolon. Whereas in C language, we have to specify break followed by semicolon. Okay, if condition in C language. In C language, statements which are specified after a okay statement, simply it comes out in this shell script. We no need to specify the semicolon. We simply specify break. Okay, that is the importance of this break statement. Now I am going to explain about this program. Actually, the program is to print 1 to 5 the logic. Observe here for followed by. Okay, this is one more syntax. I already explained about one syntax, that is for followed by, then steps down for followed by variable end of the loop, means after range next to those done. In between these two, we specify the statements. Okay. Okay. This is one syntax, and one more syntax. Second syntax is for followed by double parenthesis. Okay, within these double parenthesis, we have to specify the initialization statement, conditional statement, increment or decrement. Okay, in for loop we are going to specify 3 types: initialization expression, conditional expression, and increment or decrement. First one is initialization of the entire loop expression, initialization expression, return value of if condition, conditional expression. Syntax of break statement is simply break. Okay, simply break. We no need to use break followed by semicolon. Increment or language, we have to specify break followed decrement by semicolon. Okay, C language. In C language. Okay. Okay. Actually, in looping statements, we are going to specify 3 types of expressions. One is initialization expression, second one is conditional expression, and the third one is increment or decrement expression. Okay, in for loop only 1 to 5, we are going to specify these 3 types of expression within a single line. Means number of lines of code is reduced compared to while and until loop. Whereas in while and until loop, before the loop only we have to specify the initialization expression. Okay, and after while or until we have to specify the conditional expression. Okay, in between do and done we have to specify the increment or decrement expression for while and until loop. Whereas for loop we are going to specify three types of expressions within a single line. That the syntax is for followed by double parenthesis, no space. For followed by double parenthesis, beginning and ending. Okay, the second syntax. Okay, second syntax of for loop. First one is initialization expression. Initialization expression. Second syntax for loop. Okay, this is the first syntax. This is the first syntax. Okay, increment or for loop first syntax. For followed by variable name in range in between do and done we have to specify the set of statements. Okay, whereas here for followed by double parenthesis beginning and ending. In between these two parentheses we have to specify the initialization expression, next semicolon, conditional expression and increment or decrement. Okay, here we can directly specify the relational operators. Here no need to specify hyphen tt, hyphen lt, hyphen eq like that. We can directly specify the relational operator like less than or equals to, greater than or equals to, not equals to, everything we can directly specify. Okay, we have to specify the observe here the initialization statement I is equals to 1. Okay, and final number is here I specified I less than or equals to 5, means I value is from 1 to 5. Next, increment statement I plus means first time I value equals to 1, next time 2, next time 3, next time 4, 5 like that. Okay, so I plus means it is going to increment I value by 1. I specified three types of expressions: initialization expression, conditional expression and increment expression within a single line by using the second syntax for loop. For followed by double parenthesis, next three types of expressions, next double parenthesis. Okay, in between do and done we have to specify the repetitive statements. Okay, here I specified echo space $I. Echo is just like a printed statement in C language. Echo followed by message. We can specify echo space message, or we can specify echo space within a single quotation. Within single quotations also we can specify the message. Next, echo space within double quotations also we can specify the message. So echo is just like printed statement in C language. Okay, we can directly output statement echo followed by $I. Okay, here I initialized I with 1. In order to get the value of I, we have to precede that variable I by using dollar symbol. Okay, so echo space $I means it is going to print the value of I is equals to 1. So first time 1 will be printed. Observe here, 1 will be printed. Okay, next, if $I value is equals to how much? 1 equal to 2. 1 equal to 2 means condition returns false value. Okay, if the condition returns a true value, then break statement is to be executed. Here if condition returns false value, simply the control comes out of the if block. Control comes out of the if block, and again the control goes here. Okay, here I value will be incremented. I value will be incremented. That is I value is equals to 2. Okay, again the condition expression is evaluated. Means 2 less than or equals to 5. 2 less than or equals to 5 returns true value. Okay, just like simply the control comes inside the for loop. Okay, echo space $I. New value of I is equals to 2. Okay, next is going to print 2. Echo space $I means it is going to print I value 2. Okay, next, if $I equals to 2, new value of I is equals to how much? 2. 2 equals to 2. 2 equals to 2 returns true. Okay, here the condition, if condition returns true value. Okay, this is going to execute the statements which are specified between then and F5. Okay, this is the importance of if. If conditional expression, then set of statements, next end of if is indicated by F5. Okay, in between then and F5, the statements which are specified are executed. If the conditional expression returns true value, okay, if the conditional expression returns false value, simply the control comes out of the if block. End of if is indicated by F5. Okay, here 2 equals to 2 means condition returns true value. Okay, then it's going to execute the statement break. Okay, break means it is going to terminate the execution of the entire for loop. Okay, if we specify the break statement within the loop based on the condition expression return value, it is going to terminate the execution of entire loop. Okay, it allows to execute the lines which are specified up to break statement. Okay, if the condition expression returns a true value, okay, and if we specify break statement after, then it is going to terminate the execution of the entire loop. Okay, simply the control comes out of the for loop. Okay, there is no statement after the for loop. Okay, simply the control comes out of the loop. Break means simply comes out of the loop and it's going to print only 1 and 2 values. Okay, here the condition, if condition returns true value, okay, this is going to execute the statements which are specified between then and 1 and 2 values. So the output for this program is conditional expression, then set of statements, next end of if is indicated by F5. Okay, in between then and F5, the statements which are specified are executed. If the condition expression returns output for the program. So, what is the importance of break? It is going to execute all the statements which are specified up to break statement. Here, if the condition expression returns a true value, okay, and if we specify the break statement immediately after the end statement, based on the condition expression returns value, it is going to execute the break statement. Here the condition returned true value. That's why break statement is executed and is going to terminate the entire execution of the loop. Simply the control comes out of the for loop. So the output for this program is only 1 and 2. Actually the series is from 1 to 5. Final value of I is equals to 5. Initial value is equals to 1. Okay, if we specify break means it completely loop. Okay, it's going to print only 1 and 2 values and then it completely comes out of the, there is no statement for loop. Okay, so this is the importance of break command. Okay, break. Next, the second command is continue command. Continue command main importance is it is used to resume. It is going to resume the iteration of the loop. Okay, it is used to resume the next iteration of the loop without considering the statements that appear after the continue statement. Okay, so it is used to resume. You have to remember this point. It is used to resume the next iteration of the loop without considering the statements that appear after the continue statement within the loop. The syntax is continue. We no need to specify the semicolon. Whereas in C language, we have to specify here if the condition expression returns a true value, continue, and if we specify the break statement immediate semicolon in C language. Here we no need to specify the semicolon after continue. Okay, if we specify break means it completely, that's why break statement executes based on the return value of if conditional expression. If it returns a true value and if we specify break statement immediately after, then it is going to terminate the execution of the entire loop and simply comes out of the loop. If we specify continue based on the return value, it is going to resume the next iteration of the loop. Okay, it is going to resume the next iteration of the loop. This is the main point you have to remember here. To resume the next iteration of the loop, we are going to use a continue statement within the loop. We can use both these break and continue statements within the loop. Okay. importance is it is used to. I'm going to explain one more program that is the same program, but I applied continue command instead of break command. Okay, so observe clearly. The syntax of for loop is first followed by double parenthesis. Within the double parenthesis only, that is specify the initialization expression, conditional expression, increment or decrement expression. Okay, these three expressions are specified within a single line and in between double parenthesis. And we no need to use the relation operators like hyphen gd, hyphen equivalent. You can directly specify less than or equals to, greater than or equals to. Okay, simply in between do and done, that specify the set of statements. Okay, same program, echo space dollar I. Echo space dollar I means it is going to print I. What is I value? I value initial value of I is equals to 1. Means it is going to print 1. Next, if condition expression dollar I equals to 2 means 1 equal to 2. Condition returns false value. Condition returns a false value. Simply the control comes out of the if block and then I value will be incremented. New value of I is equals to 2. 2 less than or equals to 5 returns true value. 2 less than or equals to 5 returns true value. And then the control comes inside the loop. Okay, so what is the first statement? Echo space dollar I. New value of I is equals to 2. So 2 will be printed. Next, if dollar I equals to 2, new value of I is equals to 2. 2 equals to 2 condition returns true value. Okay, whenever the condition returns a true value, the set of statements which are specified between then and fi are executed. Okay, here I specified continuous statement. Continuous statement main importance is to resume the next iteration of the loop. Okay, automatically a new I value will be incremented and new value of I will be 3. 3 less than or equals to 5 returns true value. Okay, simply the control comes inside the loop. The first statement is echo space dollar I means I value is equals to 3 and 3 will be printed. Next, okay, 3 is equals to 2. 3 is equals to 2 returns what? 3 is equals to 2 means it returns false value. Okay, it returns false value. Okay, next automatically I value will be incremented. Okay, so like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be printed. This is the output for this program. Okay, if we use break, it is going to print only 1 and 2. If we use continue, automatically 1 to 5 will be printed. Okay, it is the main to resume the next iteration of the loop. You have to use continuous statement and then the control comes inside the loop. Okay, so what is the first statement? Echo space dollar I. New value of I is equals to 2. So 2 will be printed. Next, if okay, so these two are the break and continue statements that are specified within a loop. Okay, based on the condition return value, it is going to be executed. Okay, the last command executed. Okay, is eval command. Okay, eval command. Actually, we are going to specify the commands after the dollar prompt. Okay, means the shell is going to accept the commands typed by user and it is going to translate the command typed by the user into kernel understandable language. Okay, because the kernel cannot understand the human language, that's why the shell acts as an intermediary between kernel and the user. It is going to accept the command typed by the user and it is going to translate the command typed by the user into kernel understandable language. Okay, then the kernel is going to process the statements sent by the shell and send the result back to the shell. Shell is going to send the result back to the user. That's why shell acts as an intermediary between kernel and the user. Okay, for this so eval command. The use of eval command makes the shell to scan the command line. To scan the command line 1 to 5 will be once more. Okay, actually if we specify, for example, if we specify date means immediately it is going to execute, the shell is going to execute the date command and is going to display today's date and time. It is going to display the today's date and time. Okay, If we use the eval command, it is going to scan one more time. Okay, so that is second time scan. Okay, it's going to scan the command more than one time. That is the main importance of eval command. The use of eval command makes the shell to scan the command line once more. To scan the command line once more means second time the command is to be scanned, okay, and then actually executes the command line. Okay, what do you mean by command line? The line where we are typing a command is known as command line. Okay,
cannot understand the human
simple example. Here I specified, I assigned
kernel and
letter A to a variable B. B is equals to A. Okay. In order to get the value of B, what we have to type? Echo space dollar $B. Echo space dollar $B means it is going to print
and send the result back to the shell.
Okay. Next is specified C is equals to B. Okay. In order to get the value of C, echo space dollar $C. If we specify dollar $C, the value of C is equals to B means it is going to print
scan the
B.
command line.
After this, okay, B value is equals to A, C is equals to B, C is equals to B. Okay, next I specify here eval space echo space slash dollar. Okay, here I specified eval. Eval means it is going to scan more than once. Okay, eval space echo space dollar $C means it is going to print B. Okay, echo space dollar $C means it is going to print
second time
B. Okay, echo space slash
scan the command
dollar variable double time scan means okay, double times it is going to scan more than one time. Eval space echo space slash double dollar variable name. Okay, it is going to scan the command more than one time. That's why I specified double dollar. Okay, actually dollar $C means it is going to print what? B. Once again I specified dollar symbol. Okay, so for this dollar B, okay, actually dollar $C is equals to what? B. Dollar
B is equals to
A2. Okay, so eval space echo space slash dollar variable name. Okay, C contains what? B. For B also I applied here
echo space
okay, dollar C is going to print A. Okay, so
okay. Next
the output for this command
C
is
is equals to B.
A is the output for this command. Okay, eval space echo space
if we specify
slash
dollar $C, the value of
which
C
is equals to
B means it is going to print B. After this, okay, B value is equals to A, C is equals to B, C is equals to B. Okay,
This is
next
going to
I
print
specify
only
here,
A.
eval space echo space slash dollar. Okay, here I specified eval. Eval means it is going to scan more than once. Okay, eval space echo space dollar $C means it is going to print.
So for this
B.
command
Okay,
the output is
echo
equals
space
to
dollar
A.
$C means it
Okay,
is going to
B
print
contains A, C is equals to B. In order to get the value of B, echo space dollar B. In order to get the value of C, echo space dollar C. That is specified. For example, if we specify eval space echo space slash dollar C. Okay, so dollar C means is going to print C is equal to B. For this here I specified slash dollar variable name. Okay, it is going to print the value of variable B. B contains one second A, so it is going to print
dollar symbol. Okay,
so A is this
dollar B. Okay, actually
result for
$C
this
is equals to what?
command. Okay, so the main importance of eval command is to scan the command line more than one time. After scanning only, it is going to execute the command line. Okay, thank you.